crispy. I hate this. It's supposed to be a whole garlic, but not separately. But I will still do it. Just put them together and put them into the
Few moments later.
Okay, now garlic is finished. My house is full of this flavor. And it becomes really soft. A bottle. Just pull it out. Very easy. Garlic, salt, and parsley. Add a lot of them, and also add some butter. It's hard to get fresh parsley here. Not hard, I just don't know where to buy. So I just buy this. Very easy, very convenient, very fancy. Looks good. And find a spoon to mash them together. Hey. Just smash it. Get your bread. And put them on it. I think I just make 3, and you can clean your bottle with your last piece of toast. Still have more garlic, so make 4. Cute. My air fryer not big enough, so just cook 3. Five minutes. Not bad. crispy. And I feel the aroma of the garlic and the butter. It just perfect match each other. Good, good. Have a try, and don't forget to give me a like or subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.